مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. Today's lesson, let's continue learning our vocabulary. We're still using the root letter system. And today's letters are Kha, Ra, and Jim. Kharaja, Yakhruju, khuruj, and that is verb to go out, to exit. Kharaja, yakhruju, khuruj. Shall we conjugate? Yes, let's conjugate it. Kharaja, he went out. Kharajat, she went out. Kharaja, two men went out. Kharajata, two women went out. Kharaju, three or more men went out. Kharajna, three or more women went out. Second person, people in front of you. Kharajta, you singular male, went out. Kharajti, you singular woman, went out. Kharajtuma, both of you, whether you are two women or two men, went out. Kharajtum, you lot, three or more of you men, went out. Kharajtunna, three or more of you women went out. First person, speaker, singular. Kharajtu, I went out. And it's the same for a man and a woman. It's a neutral. Kharajtu, I went out. Plural, whether two of us or three or more of us, will say kharajna, we went out. And it's a neutral as well. That's past tense. Present tense. Yakhruju, he goes out. Takhruju, she goes out. Yakhrujani, they, meaning two men, go out. Takhrujani, two women go out. Yakhrujuna, they, three or more men, go out. Yakhrujna, they, that means three or more women, go out. Second person. Takhruju, you male singular, go out. Takhrujina, you singular female, go out. Takhrujani, both of you, whether you are both men or women, go out. Takhrujani is the same. Takhrujuna, three or more of you men, go out. Takhrujna, three or more of you women go out. First person, the speaker, singular, I say akhruju, I go out, and it's neutral. A man and a woman will say the same thing. Akhruju, I go out. Plural, whether two of us or million of us, whether two or men or women, is the same. Nakhruju, we go out. Now, shall we do imperative? Yes, command. Commanding a man is singular. You say, Okhruj, get out. Okhruj, get out. If you're commanding a woman, you say, Okhruji, get out. Okhruji. Commanding two people in front of you, regardless of the gender, you say, Ukhruja, both of you out. Get out. And commanding three or more men will say, Ukhruju, get out. And commanding three or more women will say, Ukhrujna, get out. Conjugation done. I'm glad. Yes. Now, let's illustrate it using some short sentences, shall we? Yes. متى تخرج من البيت إلى العمل عادة؟ متى تخرج من البيت إلى العمل عادة? When do you usually leave the house to work? عادة usually. أخرج مباشرة بعد تناول الفطور. أخرج مباشرة بعد تناول الفطور. I leave home immediately after eating breakfast. الفطور. أخرج مباشرة بعد تناول الفطور. What's the noun from خرج يخرج? The noun is خروج, exit. خروج. So we can say, oh, أين باب الخروج من فضلك? أين باب الخروج من فضلك? Please, where is the exit door? باب الخروج. Another one is مخرج. مخرج, that's mean way out. It's where مخرج. So we can say أين مخرج الحريق? أين مخرج الحريق? Where is the fire exit? حريق is the fire. مخرج, that's mean way out, exit. Right. We can use مخرج also figuratively, such as هل هناك مخرج من هذا المأزق؟ هل هناك مخرج من هذا المأزق? Is there any way out of this predicament, dilemma? هل هناك مخرج من هذا المأزق? Okay. What else can we get from خرج يخرج? We can get اسم فاعل, active participle, and that is خارج. خارج means outside. So if you say, where is the whoever? أين عمران? Where is عمران? You can say هو ذهب إلى الخارج. He went out. He went outside. ذهب إلى الخارج. خارج also can mean abroad. سافر إلى الخارج. He traveled abroad. So خارج. What else? Another vocabulary we can get from خرج يخرج is خارجي, and that is adjective, meaning external or exterior. That's why you say وزارة الخارجية or وزارة الخارجية, and that's the Ministry of External Affairs. And you say also وزير الخارجية, وزير الخارجية, Minister of External Affairs, which is called Secretary of State in the United States. وزير الخارجية. What else can we get? We can get form 4 from خرج يخرج will be أخرج يخرج إخراج, and that's made to dislodge something or to bring something out. Okay, such as أخرج كل ما في جيبك لو سمحت. أخرج كل ما في جيبك لو سمحت. Take everything out of your pocket, please. أخرج كل ما في جيبك. جيب is the pocket, so take out everything from your pocket, please. That's like a police. What else? Okay, we can have form 5, and the pattern of form 5 is تخرج يتخرج تخرج. تخرج يتخرج تخرج, and that is verb to graduate from an educational institution. تخرج يتخرج تخرج. I can say تخرجت من الجامعة الإسلامية بالمدينة المنورة. تخرجت I graduated من الجامعة الإسلامية بالمدينة المنورة from the Islamic University of Medina, or of the Islamic University of Medina in Saudi Arabia. تخرجت من الجامعة الإسلامية بالمدينة المنورة. Okay. What else can we get here? We can get تخرج. That means graduation. It's a noun. تخرج from 5. تخرج, graduation. You say حفلة التخرج. That means graduation ceremony or convocation. حفلة التخرج. But if you say خريج, خريج for man and خريجة for woman, and that is graduate of. So I can say أنا خريج, أنا خريج جامعة الإسلامية, وأنا خريج جامعة London. So I'm a graduate of the University of London, for instance. Here we are. Another set of root letters for you. خرج, يخرج, خروج. It has been conjugated, analyzed, and illustrated for you. It's up to you now. Do your best, do your part, learn your vocabulary, collect them every single day, learn 1 or 2 vocabulary per day, and you'll be fine. Okay? And don't forget, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and send the link to those who might benefit from this channel. And if you can, please, small or large, make a donation to my charity, Helping Hands for Education.org. We're trying to build educational resource center for the children of my hometown, Ogbomoso, southwestern Nigeria. Thank you so much for some of you who have done so. Thank you so much. Shukran jazilan. جزاكم الله خيرا. شكر الله لكم. أدخل الله سروره إلى قلوبكم. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.